Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the December BoxyLuxe box, and I should have had this video out sooner, but I do apologize for that if you've already seen these. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video. Just from my November yes oh yes spoilers. Congratulations, Kelly Angelo. Kelly says, man, I'm good at this, LOL. You sure are, Kelly. You are right on it, honey, and I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys. So first I'm going to name off the ones we already know about. And then I'm going to show you the ones that we just found out about not too long ago. First thing is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Little Briar Rose Palette. Absolutely gorgeous. I think this is perfect for Christmas. And the next thing is going to be a variation item. You'll either get the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil or the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Now next is 2 more variations that we just found out about. Now the first thing, you'll either get the Cosmetics Crystal Roller or you'll get the QMS Meta Cosmetic Lip Line Corrector. Don't even ask me what that is. I have no idea what that is, so I'm really interested in that one. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, John Moore. I think that's how you say that. Don't you come after me. You know I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, Jaw says, thanks for your videos. Thank you, Jaw. I really love doing these videos for y'all. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set. That way you catch all of my videos. You'll never miss out on a spoiler. And that's it. That's all I got for you right now. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.